I'm Jay Matlock. I'm the manager at the University of Victoria Centre for Aerospace Research. As manager here, my role is to provide my employees with the environment and tools they need to excel. We really try to encourage and catalyze innovation here, providing cutting-edge technology and innovative research projects for our team of about 40 engineers. We have a wide range of projects in the aviation sector as well as in the CubeSat and space division as well. We're also constantly working on new and novel aircraft configurations, whether it's more standard fixed-wing aircraft or vertical takeoff and landing VTOL aircraft that might be useful for urban air mobility projects. Also exploring multi-rotor aircraft, more advanced like blended wing body aircraft as well. And then we have active research in our CubeSat systems, whether we're developing payloads or full satellite systems with our space division.
It's hard to choose one. We have many exciting projects. One exciting and ongoing project which recently received fanfare is one from an ongoing collaboration with Bombardier, the EcoJet project. We're working to find and understand new ways to build and fly more efficient aircraft. One approach is through aerodynamic improvement using a novel configuration such as the blended wing body.
I started as a co-op in 2021 and kind of continued my journey into a full-time engineer. I'm currently creating a communication architecture for a companion computer that will communicate with our autopilot. So much of what we do is so novel. There's so much new development that we have to tackle on the electrical team. So it's really, we're starting our development from pretty much the ground up. So there's a lot of planning, a lot of collaboration with not just our electrical team, mechanical team, flight sciences, everyone's kind of involved.
The flight test team really shows how complex these machines are and how many things have to be checked and double checked before we're ready to go fly. Safety is the #1 priority, and it's all about making sure that we're pushing the envelope, but we're still doing it in a safe way. And so as a result, it means some of the days are long, or we aren't necessarily getting as many flights in, but we're doing that in order to make sure we're pushing that envelope in the safest way we can. For me, it's never a dull day. There's always something new going on. There's always some new project or some new research we're wanting to do. At the moment, I'm helping with some of the hybrid development. We're looking at converting one of our aircraft into a hybrid UAV. So I'm exploring the different challenges that specific aircraft brings when we're looking at it from the context of a hybrid.
We are using novel system identification techniques online in an aircraft so it can self-understand the governing equation of the vehicle, and then using these into model-based controllers such as an MPC, model predictive controller, to create the adaptability in the autopilot itself. So right now in the landscape of available autopilots, we mostly see PAD loops, which are very robust and resilient, but they lack a little bit of the adaptability. On the other hand, there is AI technology such as neural network, and they provide great adaptability, but they lack that transparency and that formal validation. So my work in model identification adaptive control tries to bridge that gap, giving the both benefits of a reliable and adaptive controller while still be transferable and certifiable for aviation.
We often get a lot of problems where I don't think anyone really knows off the top of their head what the solution is. So it usually starts with a lot of brainstorming amongst all the disciplines here and figuring out sort of what do we want the end product to look like, and then sort of working backwards from there to figure out, okay, how do we design this and put the parts together to make it work? Probably the most rewarding thing is actually seeing the plane fly, kind of the accumulation of all the testing and the design work that's gone into it. And it's awesome to see the plane go up there, complete a flight, and come back down to the ground in one piece.